Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given a diagram. Shaded region represents a surface of a pool. AD, BC are two arcs, okay? And we are also given some information. Angle AOD is 2.5 radian. AB is 3. This is something I wish to let. I'm going to let R be the length of OA, which is the radius lah. Okay, so you have R here. Oh, this is an important piece of information. The arc BC is 5 meters less than twice the arc AD. Twice of AD. This means that if I were to rewrite this sentence, then it should look like this. That means this AD, if I multiply it by 2, because it's twice 2AD, will be equal to BC plus 5. Okay, or 2AD minus 5 is equals to BC. Okay, so that's how we see it. And then let's see how then can we tap on our knowledge now. Okay, please also see that the radius for the arc BC is R plus 3, sorry. Okay, and for the AD is R. So applying some of the knowledge that we have previously gotten, arc length, if the angle is in radian, is simply the radius times the angle in radian. Okay, and therefore from here I will then gather that 2 times my AD. AD is simply 2.5 times R, or R times 2.5. BC is 2.5 times R plus 3. And after which, I just have to solve for R, which is the length of OA. So let's start solving. 2 times 2.5 will be equals to 5. R here. So this one will be equals to 2.5 R plus 7.5. So you got a plus 5 here. Then you will see, Mr. Tan, 5R. I'm going to minus 2.5R on both sides. I will also have my 7.5 plus 5 to give me positive 12.5. And finally, 5R minus 2.5R will give me 2.5R. So my R is 12.5 divided by 2.5. And I've gotten my length of OA. 5 cm. Now that I know this is 5 cm, the perimeter of ABCD will be quite straightforward. So for part B, then the perimeter ABCD will therefore be equals to 3 plus 2.5 bracket. I know my radius already. Radius is 5. So it's 5 plus 3 plus 3 again plus my 2.5 times 5. Okay, so this will give me a value of 38.5 cm. Part C, area of this ABCD blue color area. Well, you have to see the big area, which I'm highlighting now. The big sector minus away the small sector, purple color sector, to give me my blue color area ABCD. And it is at this point that I need to point this out, that please also remember area of a sector when angle is given in radian, half times r squared times theta. Okay, this is my angle in radian. So you will then see my area ABCD, which is my blue color area, will then be equals to my area green color area, half the R is equals to 5 plus 3, 8. So you will see Mr. Tan have 8 square times 2.5. This is the green color big area, minus away my half 5 square, because radius is 5, times the angle 2.5 in radian. And this will be equals to 48.75 cm squared, which is an exact value. And with that, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.